Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Benedicta isn't nearly to space. All my returning subscribers, thank you. Guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a native abacha. This is the abacha. This is a garden egg leaf. Garden egg leaf. So guys, all those abacha that OGM series used to make, this is how to make a native abacha in Igbo way. Then I have ehuru, I have pepper, I have crayfish, I have momo. Then this is the abacha. So this is the dry abacha I'm going to use to make the native abacha in Igbo way. So guys, I'm going to soak it inside water to be soaked for a while. So when it's soft, I'm going to remove it and filter it inside basket. Some people used to use warm water, but I'm using cold water to soak it for a while. Then I have potash here. I have potash that is calm. So I'm going to pour water inside the potash to melt. After I pour water inside the potash, so guys, I'm going to put my pot on top my can gas to heat for a while. After it heats, you can see water inside the pot. So to dry the water, after the water is dried up, I put ehuru inside it to fry it. So I can be able to pound it, because when you fry this ehuru, it will give you one special taste and one special aroma. So I'm frying the ehuru. After I finish frying it, I'm going to add the pepper inside it to fry it together. You're going to see the pepper I'm going to add inside the pot with the ehuru together to fry it. So this is the pepper. So I'm going to fry this pepper with ehuru so I can be able to pound it very well.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see.
So guys, I finished frying the ehuru. Then I pour it inside my mortar to pound it. To pound it very well. We are going to see how it's going to mix together with the pepper. So I also fry the crayfish inside pot. So it's going to give you one that special aroma and special taste. That is why I fry the crayfish inside the pot. So this is when I'm frying the crayfish inside the pot. So guys, I finished pounding the pepper and the ehuru. So this is outcoming of the pepper and the ehuru. This is how it look like. So I'm going to pour my crayfish inside the ehuru. There is when I'm going to add my potash water inside the bowl. You can see the bowl that I pour pepper and crayfish and ehuru. So I'm going to add a 3 season cube of Maggi. This is chicken flavor that I use, depending what you use. So then I'm going to introduce my palm oil. This palm oil is a very native one. I got it from the east when I traveled January last year. So I got it. So this is very good native oil from the east. It will give you that special taste and special aroma. So this is when I'm turning the ungwo. This called ungwo. So this is when I'm turning the ungwo I'm going to use to mix the abacha. So guys, you can see they have coming of the ungwo. It looks so yummy and it looks so nice. So this is the ungwo, guys. Then guys, this is the pomo I'm going to use to eat this yummy abacha. So this is the outcoming of the abacha. It looks so yummy and nice. Do you like it? So guys, if you love this one, give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is my baby and she's eating her own abacha. What do you have to say?